Do you have a Nest learning thermostat with an E74 no power to RH wire error? It's a common problem, especially in rainy and humid environments. This could be your super easy and free solution. Your air handler is the indoor unit, often in an attic or basement. It has a pipe that connects to a pan inside the unit where condensation drips into it and should run through the tube to the outside of your home. Newer units have a water sensor that cuts power to avoid leaking, thus the common E74 no power error. If you have a large pan beneath your unit, this is a secondary sort of last resort water catch pan, which may have its own sensor as well. So let's try cleaning the condensate pipe out. Avoid using an air compressor, which could blow the pipe apart, possibly even in your walls, where it could then leak and create a real problem for you. I pulled my sensor out to show you, but you can likely skip this step and just go outside. So head outside to where that pipe normally drips from and use a shop vac with a wet mode. So first you have to remove any paper filter inside the shop vac as well as any paper bag you have inside of it and simply suck the clog out. The clog is often just slimy stuff that accumulates and it'll pop right out. Once it does, you'll see the water start to flow pretty freely. Suck it out a few more times, let it drip a few more times just to be safe. And when you're done, the water should start running free and kind of just go into its normal drip mode depending on how humid it is outside. Now don't forget, if you pulled that sensor out, be sure you replace it. To avoid this in the future, consider just vacuuming out the line annually. And here's how much gook came out of that line, not to mention everything that dripped on the ground along the way too, so it's quite a bit more. And as you can see, error's gone, everything works fine.